All right, so now we're going to start taking a look at what piecewise functions are. Piecewise functions is a very, very fancy way of saying that the situation we're looking at, the graph we're looking at, is made up of a bunch of different pieces based on where it is in the graph. So what I can say is one of the most important things for piecewise functions is your inequalities. These are your instructions, okay, right here. And what this is saying is use equation A for any value less than or equal to -3. Use equation B for anything in between -2 to 5, but not including those values. And use equation C for anything greater than or equal to 5. So let's take a look at our three problems that we're doing. First one is f of -1. So you have to ask yourself, where does -1 fall? Is it less than or equal to -3? Is it in between -2 to 5 or greater than or equal to 5? And you should see that it fits equation B because it's in between -2 to 5. So for f of -1, this will equal 3 times -1 plus -1 cubed, which equals -3 plus -1, which will equal -4. So f of -1 is -4. What about f of 5? Okay, f of 5 is greater than or equal to 5, so you're going to use the green equation, or equation C. So f of 5 will equal negative absolute value of 5 minus 8, which equals negative absolute value of -3, which will equal -3. Well, what about f of -2.5? Let's see, -2.5 is where? -2.5, if we're looking at our instructions, let's see, is it less than or equal to -3? It's somewhere in between the -2 and the -3.